Hello my dear kids, I hope you all are fit and healthy at your places. Stay home, stay safe. This is your English teacher Himani Joshi from DPS Haldwani Lamachor, and today we are going to study chapter number 2 of unit 6, that is the story of the road. You can see on your board that the story's title is The Story of the Road. I request you all, please open page number 57. Please open page number 57. Before diving into our today's story, let us hear some noises and identify. Okay? Now listen this noise carefully and tell me. I will give you one hint. Yes. Yes, identify this noise, and this noise is of a vehicle, okay, of a means of transport.
Train.
Yes, very good. Yes, this is the sound of a train. Very nice. Now listen to the second sound. Yes, now please identify the sound.
Car.
This is the sound of a car. Identify this sound, listen it carefully. Yes.
Bell of a bicycle.
Very nice. It is the sound of the bell of a bicycle. Very good. Now listen to the next sound. Tell me.
An ambulance.
Very nice. This is the sound of an ambulance. Now identify the sound.
Bird.
Yes, and this is the sound of a bird. Yes, chip chip, chip chip. Yes, birds do chip chip. You know very well. Now listen this sound. This is also the sound of a bird. Very nice. Please tell me.
Crow.
Yes, this is the sound of a crow. Cow, 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 cow. Now, tell me the name of the given vegetables. Now, tell me what is the name of this vegetable?
Peas.
Very good. Peas. Very nice. Now, the next one. Name this vegetable.
Cauliflower.
Very good. This is a cauliflower. Very nice. Now name this vegetable.
Potato.
Very good. Potato. Now name the next vegetable. See on your screen.
Radish.
Very good. Radish. Now name the next one.
Cabbage.
Very good. Cabbage. Now the next one.
Cucumber.
Very nice. Cucumber. Now the next one.
Beetroot.
Very good. Beetroot. Okay. Some of these vegetables we can eat raw also. Okay. And some need to be cooked. Some we use in the salad to make the salad. Very nice. You all have answered correct. Okay. Now let us start our today's story. Okay. The story begins with a road. Do you really think a road can ever sleep? Okay, let us read and find out, was this road really sleeping? So let us find out. Start the reading with me. First I read, then you will repeat. Please open Page number 57. I know you all are sitting with your books because time and again I am telling you that while watching the videos you have to sit with your books. Let's begin our today's story. Okay, the story's name is The Story of the Road. Repeat after me. First I read, then you will repeat. The Story of the Road. It is early morning. The road is
asleep.
Everything is quiet. Yes, this is the time of early morning. I have told you one another meaning, when another word also for early morning, that is very good, dawn. Okay, which means early morning. Okay, and the road was in the state of sleep. Asleep means in the state of sleep. Okay, we can say the road is sleeping. It is the time of early morning. The road is sleeping. Okay, and there is no noise all around. Okay, everywhere there is silence. Everything is quiet. But listen. Repeat. But listen. The birds are calling softly. Calling means making a sound. Okay, so now we can hear the sound of the birds. What they are saying? Chip chip, chip chip, say the sparrows. Then all of a sudden the birds started making sound of chip chip, chip chip. Okay, chip chip, chip chip. Now the next line. Cow cow, cow, says the crow. Okay, then the crow also started making the sound cow cow, cow. Okay, cow cow, cow, wake up, wake up. Okay, and they all are saying wake up. Okay, get up. They all are here to wake up the road. Okay, and they all are saying wake up in their own sound. Okay, in their own language. Okay, so what sound does a sparrow make? Yes, chip chip chip. Okay, what sound does a crow make? Yes, cow cow. Here is someone else now. Now someone else is also here. So let us read. Tringling, tringling. Yes, tringling is the sound of the bicycle. Okay, sound of the bell of the bicycle. It is the newspaper boy. So next, after the sparrow and the crow, who came? Yes, the newspaper boy, and he made a sound with the help of his bicycle's bell. Okay, tringling, tringling, and they all are here to wake up the road. Tringling, tringling, says his bicycle. Repeat. Tringling, wake up. And the bell of the bicycle also is also saying wake up road. Chip, 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 says the sparrows. Chip, chip. Cow, cow, says the crow, wake up. Now again the birds. Okay, the birds. Which birds? Yes, sparrows and crows. Okay, they came to wake up the road. They made the sounds chip chip, cow cow, and the bell of the bicycle made a sound tringling, tringling. Okay, and they all together are trying to wake up the road. Who is this coming now? Let's see, who is this coming now? Yes, repeat. Who is this coming now? It's the vegetable man. Vegetable man means the one who sells the vegetables. Okay. Yes, it is the vegetable man. Repeat, it is the vegetable man. Peas, cauliflowers, cabbages, potatoes, cucumbers, radishes, carrots, says the vegetable man. So now who came? The vegetable vendor, or you can say vegetable man. Okay, to wake up the road. You often see the vegetable vendor in your locality. Okay, and to grab your attention and to mark his presence, he speaks the names of vegetables very loudly. Okay, so that you all can buy the vegetables. Okay, and become very healthy. Okay, now cow, says the crow. Wake up. Repeat. Chip chip, says the sparrow. Chip chip, say the sparrows. Tramp 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 tramp. Tramp means walk with noisy steps. Okay, when someone walks, the sound comes. But which sound? Yes, the sound of walking. Okay, that is tramp. Chatter 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 chatter. Who are these? Who are these? Let us read. They are children going to school. Okay. Now the children came to the road. Okay. And where they were going? They were going to the school. Okay. And in the early morning, they were going to the school. Okay. And they were talking to each other. And when they were walking on the road, the sound was coming. Okay. Chatter, chatter, chatter. Talk the school children. Tramp, tramp, tramp. Go their shoes. Peas, carrots, cabbages. Calls the vegetable man. Chip, 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 say the sparrows. Cow, cow, says the crow. Wake up. Cow, 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 says the crow. Cow, cow, wake up. Now what happened? They all started and they all put their efforts to wake up the road. Okay, and at last the road woke up. Wake up, asked the road. Now, what you are saying? What do you mean? I am already awake. Okay, you all are foolish. Can't you see that I am awake? I am wide awake. Okay, I am completely wide means completely awake means not asleep. Okay, now at last the road got irritated and said that yes, why you are saying, why you are making the noises again and again when I am already awake. Yes, this is really an interesting story. Now let us read and learn the hard words. Okay, now let us write and learn the hard words. First of all, I have told you, you should write the date. Okay, thereafter you will write unit 6, the story, of the road. Now write down hard words or new words. New words. The first new word is newspaper. Okay, newspaper. 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 Newspaper, N-E-W-S, news, N-E-W-S, news, P-A-P-E-R, paper, newspaper. Next is cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R-S, cucumber, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R-S, birds, cucumbers. The next is cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, or you can say C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Okay, cabbage. Next, the next is potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. What is the spelling of potatoes? P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes. The fifth one is radish, R-A-D-I-S-H, R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. Okay. The next is cauliflower. The sixth is cauliflower, C-A-U-L-I, flower, F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. Okay. Sixth is C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. Next is foolish, F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish. Okay. F-O-O-L-I-S-H. Let us revise again. N-E-W-S P-A-P-E-R, newspaper, C-U-C-U-M-B-E-R-S, cucumbers, C-A-B-B-A-G-E, cabbage, P-O-T-A-T-O-E-S, potatoes, R-A-D-I-S-H, radish. Next is cauliflower, C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R, cauliflower. F-O-O-L-I-S-H, foolish. Dear kids, I hope now the chapter is clear to you all. You all will do the hard words, or you can say new words, in your notebooks properly without any error. Okay, in our next video we will do the word meanings and question answers. Okay, till then complete your work on time, watch the videos properly till the end, and read one chapter every day. Okay, and the chapter that we have read today you have to read twice, means 2 times. Okay, and in our next video we will do word meanings and question answers. Okay, stay home, stay safe, have plenty of water, keep yourself hydrated. Okay, and stay at home. Thank you for listening me today. We'll meet in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.